So today we are going to open up Stitch Fix. We haven't had one in a while, but they love them and they're the cutest gloves. They are, I mean, stuff that you can't just buy anywhere.
Okay, I'm out.
We need new summer clothes, so we're gonna see what we got. All right, Bentley.
I'm going first.
Okay, so they always get, let me show them. They always get stickers. They can decorate their boxes or whatever they want to do. And then it comes with this bag to return anything in, or if you're sending in exchanges. So you basically pay $20 to get the box for the styling fee. And then whatever you want, you pay for it. Whatever you don't want, you just return. You never get charged for it. Bentley's first thing, when you get this bag, you always know it's gonna be shoes.
Yep.
Now just sit down.
I love these kind of shoes.
Wow, you don't have anything like that.
Yeah, and I love these kind of shoes though. Look at my shoes, guys. They have this little thing right here. It's kind of gold. It's like golden, kind of rainbow-ish.
Brooklyn's gonna open her shoes because she's too excited. She's the one that wanted to wait till Bentley was done, but we're gonna do a try-in at the end, and I will show you what everything looks like on them. Oh, yay! More kindness, that's so sweet. More kindness, and I bet you it goes.
Look at
usually
this one.
put matching outfits.
Look at
I need a binky.
And next I have this.
Oh my
I'm gonna wear my sandals
goodness.
now.
Oh, is that a dress?
Ooh. Oh, these are nice.
That is so pretty, Bentley, for summer. You got jean shorts. They've been needing jean shorts. They don't have her size. And
next I have this. Ooh, I like that. Is it tank top?
Ooh, it says happy. Ew, it's a B, and so it means be happy. Fancy schmancy.
I'll show the camera. It can't wait. A better be another dress.
Looks like another dress.
Ooh.
So cute.
I like it. Please. Oh, so pretty. Next one I have is this a swimsuit?
Yay! Ooh, it's Jessica Simpson's swimsuit. So, very cute. Stick in the bottom. Ooh, those are cute.
Ooh, blue one.
Very cute. I hope they fit. All right, is that all your stuff? Alrighty. Oh. She got new PJs with unicorns.
Yeah, but they were too small.
Oh, the older ones? Alright. Oh, cute. It's a one shoulder swimsuit. Let's try that on and see if you like it. Don't take any tags off yet. Okay.
Ow. What are you doing?
We gotta make sure they don't cut the tags off, because sometimes they try and cut the tags off before we try the stuff on. And then you're just like, what am I supposed to do? It doesn't fit.
We're gonna have lunch.
Yeah, today's the last day of school and they are done with homeschooling.
Yeah, I just like
Thank you. Let me feel it. But if you could seriously feel this stuff, like the stuff that comes, it's not cheap material. It's always the softest stuff that you've ever felt.
Ooh, this one.
So the kids Stitch Fix, the perfect family. The kids Stitch Fixes come with more stuff than the adults. The adults come with 5 items total. The kids come with a lot more, but it's not any more expensive than the adult ones.
Look, Mom,
you just get a lot more. Let's be mermaids. Cute.
Oh, no.
Too cute.
Let's be mermaids. Girls rule.
Which is the
Girls rule. Girls rule. Girls rule. And I'm so excited to try them on.
Hi. Okay, so we will be right back. We're going to try everything on.